Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine and you must have understood the working of electromagnetic switch. While remember, it is only a switch. The purpose of electromagnetic switch is to control flow of current because your machine runs through current. That current must be controlled by any device. So that device is called switch. So electromagnetic. So switch. The first switch was invented was electromagnetic switch. So, so the help of this switch, we control the working of machine, which runs automatically, and it is because of current, invention of electricity or electronic circuit. So, because of that switch, or you can say electricity, you can say scientists were able to make a automatic machine which runs through current or controls or switch. So first machine was invented or came out in the world, that is tabulating machine. So we see what is that. This is the tabulating machine. It is invented by Dr. Herman Hollerith in 1890. It was an electromechanical machine designed to assist in summarizing information stored on punch card. So see, after Jacquard Loom, this punch card again used for data storing or data input. The Hollerith machine used design principles similar to those of earlier technologies such as Jacquard Loom, as I told you. The idea is that by aligning punch card holes in a punch card, the machine could process sets of punch card to count up instances of different kind of data. The machine was developed to help process data for 1890 US census, counting people in the country after every 10 years. Student, remember, census, the meaning of census means to count people in the country. How many people's, how much population has increased in the country over 10 years, that need to be counted, so country can allocate resources for city or country for better utilization of resources. Otherwise, nobody knows how much population has grown. So if nobody knows about population, so government cannot manage resources or provide resources to their citizen in the country. So there was trend in the America. Every after 10 years, they count peoples. But this process is very long manually. It took 6 years to count to complete the counting process. But after invention of this tabulating machine, it was made possible to count to complete the census process in a few months, maybe 6 months. Workers could record things like age, gender, and other information on punch card, and the machine would read them. Before this machine, American census was done in years, but with the help of this census act, it was done in few months, as I told you. Dr. Hollerith earned a lot of wealth due to this invention. This was a very much unique machine which helped American census to count the people in the country. So this machine helped Dr. Hollerith to earn a lot of wealth. He established a company known as International Business Machine and became pioneer of computer invention, especially mainframe computer. So this IBM, you know, that is the founder of, they are pioneer in the computer world, and they established mainframe, large computer. Still, they have a large market share, especially in the mainframe. Later model were widely used for business applications such as accounting and inventory control. So you know that the basic purpose of machine is to count numbers, and especially these machines were using in business activity. It produced a class of machine known as unit record equipment and the data processing industry. These are another machines came out in that time. Construction. It consists of card reader which sense the holes in the card, a gear-driven mechanism which could count, and a large dial integrated to display the result. You can see there are large number of dials are given to produce results. Okay, boys, use following link. Students, use following link to watch video for further understanding. So watching this video, you can understand how tabulating machine is, the working of tabulating machine. You can see this diagram. Thank you, student. This is the end of lecture. Have a nice day.